What's going on, everyone? In today's video, we're going to be breaking down the Sunday Bitcoin buy and the Bitcoin sell that I took. Remember, in the public Telegram group, I told you guys to look at the Friday low, that price is going to blow that shit out. And you can see that it did. And I did indeed take the trade. Now, for those that don't believe this, please do join the Telegram group. The link is in the description below. And for those that don't know me, I have 6+ years of experience on you, so sit the fuck down. Okay? Now, first of all, we're going to start talking about how we actually caught this Bitcoin buy. Now, in order to understand that, right, I need to take you guys back to the beginning of the day. Okay, that is around here. So we'll talk about the New York session, right? So over here, you can see that based on the Trade Easy dashboard, the daily bias was bullish and we broke down. So when that happens, I have to quickly invalidate this daily bias because we traded below the Asian range and it's structurally bearish, right? So I gave it up. Then when price traded back above this high, when price traded back above the London high, I'll show you exactly where, right? Around here, there were a lot of private groups that I have my eyes on. It's not private, it's public actually. To be specific, my copycats, right? Just to see if I can fade them because they don't know jack shit. They all wanted to see gold go down, sorry, Bitcoin go down to 98 something. But no, it's bullish. Okay, I'll tell you why, and I'll show you why. So you can see the moment price traded above this high there, when you wicked above it, the bias immediately became validated, meaning our previously invalidated bullish bias now became validated, right? So that means I can look for a long position. Okay. Now, if you look at the entry algorithm on the right hand side of the screen, we can see that it started flashing buys. Okay. You can see that there you go. It started flashing buys. So once it started flashing buys, I know that I can buy. And I did show you guys a screenshot. I did indeed take the buy and price this smashed higher. Okay. Now, having said that, we have a lot of accumulation going on, right? A lot of accumulation going on. So it makes sense that if we're going to start the week, we're going to start the week by inducing a Friday low. Now, if I take this here and switch the order flow to bearish, okay, stay with me. If I come here and switch the order flow to bearish, right? And let's switch it to the PM session only. So let's make it PM session only. So let's say 1 p.m. and 1 p.m. Okay. Now, when we switch it to the PM session, you can see that the PM session is flashing sell signals on the 1 hour and the 30 minute, right? Now, I can dismiss this 30-minute one because it's still on the way up. On the 1 hour, you can see that is giving me a sell signal, right? And on 30-minute also, it came again. So I know that I can be confident in taking a sell, right? And you can see that was exactly how it played out. It went and hit the Friday low exactly as I told you guys it would. So now you have public proof. Okay. Now let's take a look at exactly why I took these trades. Okay. Now you can see if I just take out these mentorship stuff, you can see that when price broke this high, yeah, this was the candle that broke the high. So that is my structural inducement. Okay, and then price goes down one more time and then it starts to rally higher. You know that your position is safe because the bias is bullish, you are flowing to the upside. Price, the target is 106K, and there's also a key level to the upside. Okay, that is why I took this trade buy. Now when it came over here, we had that daily inducement to think about. Price at a key level, and when you see us taking out the high here, right? Usually when we are having a bullish session or a bearish session, let's just say bullish session, when we're having a bullish session, usually there's going to be, when you form an intermediate term high or a short term high, there's going to be one more pump before the dump. That's just the way it is designed. Okay, there's the pump, take it out, price comes down. Why did I take this over here? Well, I did it based on the 1 minute chart and 30-second chart. But if you were to do it based on the 5 minute chart, what you can see is you have an inverse gap here. We react and then we fill, and this would be your entry. And your take profit would be the Friday low, which it melted through literally effortlessly. Okay, literally effortlessly. Now once we see that, once we see that the Friday low has gone, we understand that okay, that is our daily, what, daily inducement. So if that is our daily inducement, then should it go up from there? Yes, because now so many people are thinking, oh yes, this shit is going to short like mad, even more lower to 98 something. Well, this is where I tell you that they are uneducated in the ways of my concepts. Because why? Let's face it, at the end of the day, my copycats are copying my concepts. So you cannot copy my concepts without knowing exactly how it works. All right. So you can see now, if I switch the algorithm to its base settings, right? Bullish and one more bullish here, and I switch it to 2 o'clock. I will then be interested in seeing whether price will rally from here. Okay, now look at the right hand side because I know the inducement is done. I know the inducement is done. Now I just want to see price rally. I don't think it will rally. Meaning I don't think the buy signal will show because the buy signals are designed to show after the London session. So let's see. Yeah, there you go. Then prices goes higher. Now, to explain, now yesterday I got to be fully transparent with you guys. Yesterday I had a losing day. Why? Because I let this win get to my head, to be honest. And I did not really look at everything that I was supposed to be looking at, right? So what does that mean? It means that I was looking at this high there, that one, okay? And I was also looking at no, I think that was the only one, yeah. So I was looking at this as my inducement. Okay, that overlapping candle and also this one here. Now, what did I do wrong over here? What I did wrong was I failed to look at this here, the Asian high. The Asian high was taken out by this one, and price never induced this. It never, ever, ever induced this. So, any reactions here would be traps. And unfortunately, yesterday I got trapped. I did not see this. I was in my head, oh no, I can't lose today. I want so much. I made so much money yesterday. I won't lose today. And then I ended up losing. Okay. Now look at this and then look at this 50% here. The candle that occurred at the 50% there, this one. Okay. Those two would be my primary candidates. But I did not think of it at that time. Now, if you look at this, you will see that yesterday the sales were good because the Asian high inducement or the 50% inducement wasn't taken. So you can see that each of these points, my buys did happen really nicely and then it failed. Happened really nicely and then it failed. And then we came here. Okay. But why did it come one more time? Because now, if I show you the higher time frame, the key level, right, you can see that this is a 4 hour candle that took out the high. Therefore, that 4 hour candle's low is the inducement, which then allows me to use that 50% inducement and forget about this. Now, see, this is big talk. I did not see this in real time. I'm ashamed. And then you have the key level down over there, the base. Okay. Now, having seen that, that would be enough to give a buy towards the end of the day, and then it just stops. Okay. That brings us to today's price action. So today, what we saw is price took out the PM session low, actually the lunch hour low. And after taking out the lunch hour low, you can see what price is moving up. Okay, and then we're stuck inside the Asian range. Now look, there's a small conundrum over here. Okay, the conundrum is as follows. We are stuck inside of the Monday range between this low and this high, and we are stuck inside of the Asian range. So then what? Then this is going to be a problem, right? You're going to face many losses inside this range. The daily bias is bearish, weekly bias is bearish, monthly bias is bullish. So now what? This is going to be a tough nut to crack. Why? Because if we want to go in line with the weekly bias being bearish and the daily bias being bearish, then we need to start breaking down. Right? That doesn't happen, then too bad, so sad. Because now, for us to actually validate the weekly bias being bearish, we need to trade below the Monday low. Otherwise, you're just grasping at strings, at straws. Okay. And if you take a look at, say, uh, uh Ethereum, okay, Ethereum is the same case, same story. See, Monday range intact, still inside the Asian range. Now, if you look at Bitcoin futures, you can see what Monday range intact, Asian range intact. So it is a very, very tricky day to trade on cryptocurrency, on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, that is pretty much it. So what happened? To summarize, we saw that price hit the daily inducement. Now, if you guys are not understanding what I said, this is the daily inducement here. See, Friday low, blew through, price rallied like a mad dog up there. And now we have a key level here. Yesterday we closed bullish here, key level. So I'm thinking, okay, you know what? I don't think this what you call the weekly bias will the weekly bearish bias will hold. I'm sure we'll flip it. If not, then too bad. Unfortunately, I was wrong. All right. So that was how I took the buy, and that was how I took the sell. The proof is in the is definitely 100% in the Telegram group, so you can't come and say shit to me, right? And yeah, so if you are interested, you can get Trade Easy by joining Uncle Sean D's Trading Den. The link is down in the description below, right? So I'm looking to increase the size of my Discord community, have a lot of like-minded traders help one another. You get trade signals, outlooks, weekly calls, and also access to a community of like-minded traders, as I mentioned. All right, so if you are interested, you can definitely get it down in the description below. With that said, see you guys in the next one. Good luck and good trading. Bye bye.